looks like I made it here. That's a nice little bar right here. I got a chest here. Wonder if, Rosy has already made it here. Oh? Rosy? Rosy? Rosy!
Wait. Ow! Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
Oof. That's a big oof right there.
Dang it! Oh.
You shouldn't be drinking while on a plane.
What?
Are you alright?
What the? Oh. Hey, Dina. Frick. I'm fine. I've taken a lot more nastier tumbles.
Yeah.
Oh, my drink didn't... Oh, the cup stayed intact.
That's kind of surprising.
Oh, wow, and all the water didn't spill out. Wait. Oh, shoot, my brain's just a little wonky. Oh, no, wait, that's not water, that's whiskey.
Yeah. Let's see if I got anything else that would be able to help my brain. Let's see. Oh, martinis, Bloody Marys, mimosas.
Yeah, they got some Budweiser, too.
Yeah, not a bad person. Prefer the Coors.
That's some good old-fashioned, I think they have some... Oh, nice. Is that a Bloody Mary or a martini?
That's a martini.
Stuff's crappy. Yeah. Wow, that was quite a thrill. Yeah, I'll go get one myself.
Alright.
Personally, I think I'm more of a fan of margaritas. Oh, frick, I almost spilt it. Jeez. Rough day, huh?
It has been, but how have you been?
Okay. I guess. Jeez. That encounter we had last time, that was, something, I guess.
I guess so.
Jeez. So, oh, nice. Wait, what's this drink? Red. Is it a... who cares?
It's alcoholic.
What is it? Yeah, clearly. As long as it gets me wasted, I don't care what it is.
Yeah, for me, it's been...
It's got some tomato juice in it. Yeah. Rare.
And for me, it's been kind of... on and off.
Yeah. Hey, cheers. We got the same drink.
Yeah.
Hey, why not?
Why not?
Clink.
Clink.
Man. Kind of brings back old memories, doesn't it? You know?
It does.
So, how are things with, think of something, how are you and, with your boom, Sonic?
We're doing alright. We're just preparing for the wedding for next month.
Oh. Nice. Let me get another drink.
What about you and your new Scourge?
We're doing, okay. Wait, how did you know?
I I remembered you told me when we ran into each other that you met a new scourge.
Oh. Well, I did spend quite a few nights getting wasted at his castle ever since I moved to his dimension. Gotta be honest, I feel a lot more at home there. Everybody there is, evil. And nobody's a good guy. But I don't know. I just felt like something was missing. Sort of, but I couldn't really figure out what it was.
Hang on, let me get another drink.
Yeah,
You okay?
I completely forgot that this bar had a fire. I want to turn it off.
Oh.
How do I turn it off?
Okay, calm down. Hang on. Let me just put my bottle down. Hang on.
Wait,
okay.
No, don't turn it off. No, don't turn it off. No, turn it off. No, don't turn it off.
Rosy.
I just need another drink. I need another drink. I need something stronger. Here we go. Stilatzly, whatever. This looks like a tough drink.
Fire is reminding you of... The fire's reminding you of, him, isn't it?
Don't say his name, Dina.
I didn't say his name.
Please don't remind me.
I didn't say his name. I just asked if it reminded you of him.
Maybe it did. Frick. I don't know, bestie. Or, I mean, Dina. I don't let that word slip. The frick? What is wrong with me?
Rosy.
Can I think straight? I thought ever since I got my new skirty and I moved to a place where I'd be happier, everything would just be better. Ugh. Oh.
Absinthe, maybe this will work with me here.
I need something stronger. I need to drink away my misery.
Rosy.
What, Dina?
What do you think is missing in your life?
I don't know. But it's been driving me mad. I just felt I just need to drink more. But for once, it's not out of happiness or ecstasy. Drinking pushed this feeling of sadness further down into my system, but it ain't working, Dina. Out of whiskey, margarita, martini, Budweiser, Bud Light, Corona, doesn't matter what kind of beer or alcoholic drink it is. Not even a tequila. Not even taking shots of tequila. It's not doing anything.
Rosy.
I don't get it. And that nightmare didn't help either. I thought drinking would help me forget my troubles, but it made them worse.
What was that nightmare?
I don't want to talk about it. can't get this misery out of my head!
Guess my hopes are a bit high after all.
What?
Nothing.
I need to sit down. Ugh. It's not because of the alcohol.
Rosy.
That fire. Where did it go, Tina?
Where did
it go? Something is missing from my life, Tina. I don't get it. I don't know if you heard this, but I have to accept it. He's gone. He's restricted. He's gone. Ugh.
He's not fully gone.
What do you mean?
He
sealed away in that blue idiot permanently. Once again.
And yet he's also been...
ruined my life! Stupid heroes ruin everything!
You also try to forget that same person attacked my fiancé. And on top of it, too, gave him that same form that caused him to be distant and starve himself. My fiancé could have been dead because of that thing.
Bestie, you don't know the heartbreak I've been through. You have somebody! I don't! Who am I kidding?
So Terios means nothing to you?
He does! But how can I face him again? I let him get hurt. I was trying to protect him. By leaving him, I thought I would protect him. He knows when I'm serious, but he got involved anyway.
Because you said nothing. And just left him behind.
And I...
Guess who was the one...
Because I didn't want him to get hurt.
Well, it doesn't matter. He still got hurt anyways. It's because of him that put Terios in that coma.
He's so heck bent on revenge. I realized slowly that something was changing inside of me. It was not the revenge that was making me happy. It was him! He's gone.
Rosy.
I don't feel his energy anymore. Terios is in a coma. And I thought being with my new security would fix everything. And I don't know how we currently would call our relationship. I don't know. But I'm not thinking about that right now. There's something else that's been on my mind since day one of Zone Jail. Just don't get it. Stupid heroes love to ruin everything. I fell in love with Terios. His desire to beat Shadow for replacing him is stronger. Ugh. I fall in love with Fleety Pie. He gets sealed away by blue balls. And even though I have a new security and I'm in his castle and I can do whatever I want, I don't get it. There's something missing. Even if I had everything I wanted, there's...
Rosy, I'm gonna be blunt. what's really
What?
going on in your head?
I don't want to tell you, Dina. It'll hurt you more than I already have.
Rosy.
You again.
Well,
Again.
you running away is what hurts me. No explanation of what's been going on. That hurt me. That day you turned your back on me, I didn't lose just my best friend, I lost my sister. Because she didn't tell me what was going on. She didn't assure me that she was going to be okay. Instead, left me paranoid that piss stain was doing something to you.
Like this. Oh, frick. Stupid, floaty chess pieces. Ugh. Dina, don't say that. Don't refer to him like that. Don't spit on his grave more than everybody else already has.
He tried to take away the one man I loved.
Well, you have a lover, Dina. And I did too. But now he's gone. Terios is in a coma, Fleety Pie sealed inside of blue balls for what seems like eternity. And I don't know what minute scarcity I have. I don't want to assume anything, because God forbid I jump into that. But I don't know, just for some reason I have what I want, supposedly. Scarcity and I live in the castle together. He's evil. And we go out and cause chaos, just have fun, but there's something missing. And there's you. You have everything figured out. You have Boom Sonic. You two are getting married. And what am I doing?
Why do you
Drinking away my sorrows.
Why do you assume I have
wasted.
everything figured out? Yeah, I know, I'm marrying Boom Sonic, yes. However, it doesn't cure all these mental breakdowns I've been having. It doesn't cure
you think you had it easy too?
It doesn't cure this fear of losing everything. Yeah, I know there are close calls, but I still panic every day. If all of a sudden something goes missing or someone goes missing. My brother was kidnapped. I thought I lost him for good. I've been betrayed by my best friend. And
oh, your brother? Wait, your brother? Eclipse?
Yes.
Well, good news for you, sister. I ran into him when I was trying to find you. So you can rest easy. He's fine.
I know, but it was a while back ago. At least you didn't have to deal with his 15-foot tall father.
Wait. What? I'm sure that's just the alcohol kicking in.
No, it's the truth. Trust me. He's one big, ugly... Yeah, I don't want to go into detail.
Big and ugly? What, so he looks like Sonic?
No. He doesn't. He actually looks like an alien, but that's not the point. The point is, yeah, you're going through all this stuff right now. Okay? But don't assume I have everything all figured out. You're not the only one who believes something's missing inside her. You're not the only one with a nightmare.
Wait, what? Captain Harley, yeah, this spice drink, bull shark. Ugh. Tastes like kitty juice at a birthday party. I've had Kool-Aid stronger than that. Ugh. What do you mean, nightmare? Well, yeah, my life has been pretty bad. But I don't get it, Dina. I don't get it. Get it?
You want to know what my nightmare is? I saw you there. You and your Fleetway were able to conquer the world, making it rain blood. Apparently, you kept me alive and killed everyone, and I mean everyone, including those I love and care about. Apparently, from what I assume, you wanted me all to yourself.
What?
Until you turned your hammer on me.
What? No. No.
Because of
No.
that, because of that, I had one of my breakdowns to where I blacked out after I woke up. Next thing I knew, I ended up in the ruins of some cathedral, and someone trying to snap me out of it. Apparently, I was trying to hurt myself.
No. 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 No, no, Dina, please tell me this is just the alcohol kidding. Please tell me you're not serious.
I'm telling you the truth. I'm being honest with you. Like we always, well, like what we were supposed to be. Honest with each other.
No. No, 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 this is just like my nightmare. No.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
No. No, Dina, no. No.
What do you mean?
I don't want to be the reason you become corrupted.
I'm not corrupted. I'm just...
Oh, God.
Rosy, I'm not corrupted. I'm just...
Yes.
Where'd you go?
Nightmare. I'm over here.
There you are.
It's the alcohol. Remember the last time we got drunk during that karaoke night? We couldn't see our hands in front of our faces. No, stay back. Stay back.
Rosy, please. I'm not doing anything to you, okay?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Rosy, snap out of it. Just tell me what happened with your nightmare. I told you about mine.
I can't, Dina. I can't. You don't understand. I just can't.
Rosy.
I can't.
Damn it, Rosy, just tell me!
Dina, I can't!
Rosy, please, just tell me!
I can't, Dina, you don't understand!
I don't care if I don't understand. Just tell me!
No, I can't!
Tell me!
I can't!
Tell me!
You're gonna destroy the earth!
I used to be like that a long time ago.
No.
Listen to me. Listen,
No.
listen.
Because of me, Dina! I made you snap! And I made you destroy the planet that we always had fun on! You even destroyed all the villains! Everybody perished. You even killed Boom Sonic. Willingly. I can understand you wanting to kill the heroes, but you killed everyone.
I can assure you, Rosy, I don't have that capability.
And it killed me!
Rosy. Yeah, you hurt me. You betrayed me. You've been begging for me. There's one thing I will say. I have no desire to kill you. Or to hurt you.
Neither do I, Tina. I have a bloodlust for murder and violence, but you made me realize that there are edgies out there that deserve to live slightly longer.
And you made me realize it doesn't hurt to let loose every now and again. Even if people think I'm crazy.
Oh, you are! They're idiots and they can't see that. No offense, but even your honey, if he thinks you're crazy, then he's an idiot. Because, well, obviously he must be sort of stable-minded because he's marrying you, so clearly he puts up with you, but the true test will be if he, stands by you.
Speaking of the wedding,
Speaking
there's always one question that everybody keeps asking me, and it's getting annoying. And
what is it?
Hurts at the same time.
What is it? How fancy the dress is gonna be? Where you're gonna have it? Where you're gonna go on your honeymoon? If it's a black tie, or if it's gonna be, what theme is it?
No.
Who's gonna take the pictures?
No.
Who's gonna be the band?
No. Eight.
Oh, frick. Stupid frick. Oh god, yeah.
They keep asking me who my maid of honor is gonna be. And I have no one. I tried to make a list of everybody. Guys and girls.
No. Considering the male, you always want to break new ground.
But the thing is, none of them... I can never give anybody that spot. Because none of them are you.
What do you mean?
None of them are you, Rosy. The maid of honor spot is for someone who could be a best friend, sister, someone close to the bride. None of them are you, because none of them understood me like you understood me.
Really? What do you mean, Dina? It hurt you. I could never forgive myself for doing that. Because you stood by me through everything. When I got rejected, you were right there. You picked me up. Then I got so blinded by revenge, I thought leaving you would protect you. But if I made it obvious I thought you guys would have become more targeted.
No, Rosy.
I should have just told you.
You would have told me, I would have understood. I would have stepped aside. I would have made sure that I would make sure that I would never get in the way of your happiness. The only time I'd probably go up against Fleetway is only if he hurt you. If you've told me.
Well, he didn't hurt me.
Good.
It was some freaking blue balls, but he's not important right now. Just...
Right. And the reason I wanted to give that spot to you initially, every time I keep dreaming about my wedding, you're always there for me. You've accepted me for who I was when my reputation was down the toilet. You were there for me when my amnesia went away and I was back to my old self.
I was there when I heard the news.
Mm-hmm. You were.
You know, it's deja vu all over again. Is that what the heartbreak is?
Rosy.
Tina, this is just like when you had amnesia. I was heartbroken beyond belief.
Rosy.
I couldn't sleep. I couldn't eat. And all I could think about was you.
Rosy. Yes, I now know how you feel when I had amnesia. 'Cause I couldn't stop thinking about you either. Even during mental training. 'Cause the thought of your name and your voice makes my heart rate go up to the point where I feel like I'm gonna break. But after some training, yeah, it settled down, but I still can't stop thinking about you. That's why I said you wouldn't leave me alone.
Tina, the time we've been apart, it's been torture.
Rosy, please come back to me. Please come back to me.
I miss you, Tina.
Rosy.
Tina! I wish we could both get amnesia and forget all this ever happened. And just go back to the way it was. You and I. I miss my Edge Queen.
Miss my Hammer Queen.
No! No! What's going on, Dina? Why can't I feel your warm embrace?
I don't know. Something's keeping us apart still.
No! What's going on, Dina?
I don't know.
Something's trying to block us. There's a wall, Dina. No amount of alcohol can do anything. No, nothing.
Rosy.
Yeah. What?
We're gonna have to break down this wall together then.
Yes. Yes. I can't anymore, Dina. I just want things to go back to the way they were.
I know.
I want the fire to reignite.
I'm sure it will. Because we're gonna break down that wall together, and you know what? I have an idea.
Yeah?
Next time we meet up at the place where you and I had met up after I recovered from my amnesia. The beach.
So, where a new beginning was.
Mm-hmm. We could still be able to use that as a start. Get everything back to the way it was. We'll break down that wall together. We were able to reunite and be back to our old selves there. I'm sure we can do it again.
We have to. I don't care. I don't know what this thing is that's trying to keep us apart. I don't know if it's in our heads or in our souls or, well, I don't really have one, but, or where my soul should be. Just much like this fire. I don't want to ever put it out. I want our fire to keep burning forever.
I agree. We're going to get it back to where it was, Rosy, one way or another.
I don't care what we have to do. I don't care if I have to give up everything I stand for. Well, I don't really stand for anything, because, you know, I stand for myself, but you know what I mean.
I know what you mean. But we're going to... I say we do it tomorrow. The sooner we get started with our new beginning, the better. You and I will go and hang out at the beach.
Yeah.
If it's able to work that way, we'll be able to get back together as best friends once again.
If it doesn't work, Dina. No, don't think that. Why am I thinking this way? I usually never doubt myself.
Rosy. I know you never doubt yourself before like that, but I will tell you this. Try not to think of it that way. Even if it doesn't work, you know what? I say we keep going to that beach. We'll find another way. We can still keep going to that beach every day. We'll go to all of our usual hangouts if we have to. Hell. We'll even maybe bring in one or two others that have seen our friendship. If we have to tease them, torture them, have them help us, we'll be able to get this back together.
I don't care what we have to do. I don't care how many heads I have to smash. But... Hammer. I haven't picked it up in so long.
Rosy. Again. We're going to find a way. One way or another. One way or another, we'll break down that wall. Hammer or not.
Yeah, you're right. You know what? Hold up. Here we go. 2 glasses. Perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Grab a tequila shot, Dina.
I'm on it.
It's the second one.
Oh, got it. There we go. Alright. Clink.
Clink. Drink up. Whoa, that was pretty strong.
That was a little strong.
Whoa. Wow.
Whoa.
I'm starting to look kind of colorful.
Easy there. Oh boy.
Is that an airplane?
Oh god, yeah.
Hey!
You were climbing on that earlier. Oh, careful.
Shadina, it's an airplane. It's an airplane. It's an airplane.
Yes, it is.
Wow. Wow. So big. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at it. Wow. Look at me. I'm flying.
Oh, Rosy,
Flying.
get down from there.
Whoa.
Oh crap. Rosy?
I'm in the pilot seat. Woo.
Oh.
Now I'm on the wing. Now I'm off the plane. I'm on the wing. Woo. Now I'm on the edge of the plane.
Oh, Rosy. Oh dear.
Woo.
Rosy, careful there.
Woo. Hey, Dina. Hey, Dina, watch this.
Oh.
Watch this.
Oh.
Watch this.
Careful.
Park lot. Oh.
You okay?
Pull my hammer out for a split second.
Yeah, looked like it. But yeah, I think it's best I take you home, Missy.
What do you mean? We could just camp out here. Oh, hey, there's one more drink. One more shot before we hit the road.
Okay, and and if you don't want to, also plus one trick too. If you don't want to get a hangover, drink lots of Coca-Cola before bed. Trust me, it works.
Yeah. Or eat a jar of peanut butter too. I saw a comedy chimp talk about that once.
Yeah, you can try doing that too. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get you home now. Come here.
Okay, Dina.
Alright.
Why is there two of you?
You're seeing double. It happens when you drink too much. Alright. Hold on tight.
Let's go.
Chaos control.